Hey guys, welcome back to our channel CryptoTech Today. So this is your friend Gary. I'm back with a new video, and this video will be regarding for the Verasity. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the notification bell icons and like and comment if you have any query. We got our website live as well. You can visit cryptotechtoday.com. I will put the link on the description so that you can get latest articles of the crypto city market and cryptocurrency market and that things. Also, you can follow me on Twitter as well. So let's start of the Verasity and let's talk about the bull market of the Bitcoin and where we're heading next, as the halving and everything completed on the March part. So lately we got the recent news of the Fed cutting the interest rate by 50 basis point. That's why the risk asset like crypto market and the altcoin mainly are pumping, and with that thing as well, Verasity also got a little bit of leg off. And let's update like recent things happening in Verasity. So this is the Verasity update. So recent update is that Verasity has officially launched in the UAE under the Ministry of Economic Next Gen FDI initiative. So VeraView has officially launched with UAE government. So that's a very bullish thing for Verasity. You can check the detail here as well. That simply means that Verasity is getting a lot of attentions and a lot of big partnerships. So they are partnering with the UAE government for the ad revenue and that thing. So you can check this thing on the Twitter. That's a big thing. So since then, Verasity price has been pumping, like it got around 30 to 40% pump with this news. Also, there are a lot of news coming on for Verasity, and there are different news coming on for Verasity, and we are only seeing the like sky's limits, and we'll get a lot of updates. And you can see that the Mark CEO of the Verasity is sharing different pic with with his former eBay marketplace friend. So that's the good thing. So they are the old friend, and we are thinking that we are also getting some positive news from the eBay marketplace as well. So there are a lot of they are already getting partnership with the big that ad giants like UAE United, or they support the technology thing. So VeraView already they have partnered with the VeraView. So I think there's a lot of money coming to the Verasity, and that will definitely hike the price of the Verasity. And also the Q3 bond will be soon, Q4 bond will be soon, and also the the moving to they are moving POB tokens to Tron blockchains. This will happening soon. Also, the user who stake the Verasity in their wallet will get all the like a little bit portions of the POB token on their wallet as well. That's a big thing for the community, and like we have been updating with the Verasity different things. So I am definitely seeing the Verasity is going much higher in this Altseason. So let's start with Bitcoins are currently where we are now. So here at the time of the recording, so Bitcoin price is like $65,266. So this is the weekly chart of the Bitcoin. Let me check. Are we at like the bull market support band or not? Because that's the main thing we have to check. So this is the bull market support band. As you can see, after the Fed rate cuts, so Bitcoin has been pumping from 57,000 since 16 September. So it has crossed over like 65,000. So I'm waiting for this confirmation for this week close. If we close, the bull market support band is around 62,468. If you close above this level, and I think the next target will be the 70k, 73k. So that will be the main target for the bull market support. So after that, a lot of altcoin will fly, just like a Verasity as well, which is a big contributor. So let's check the Verasity bull market support band as well. So this is a weekly chart. As you can see, Verasity is trying to break this downward trend line, and this is a bull market support band of Verasity. The price is around let me check, the maximum is 38.63, and the Verasity is trying to break. If Verasity close above 0.0040 level this week, we can see the big spike in the price movement next week, as also Bitcoin will support the price movement. And I definitely see that at least we can see that the break above this level will send the Verasity to 822 0.0097 level. It's directly like there's not a lot of resistance above it, only the 0.0051. But if we get close above the bull market support band, as usual we can see that when we get close above this level 0.0557, the 0.0046 level, so it directly pump how much percentage. You can see from this chart. See, bull market support band is pumped around like 141% before retracing 2.50 level, and this level as well. You can see when it's close above the bull market support band in a weekly, it pump around, see, 137% level. So while checking this bull market support band, if we able to close on this level, I can see that the next target will be around like 0.0094 to 95. So it's still also depend on the Bitcoin chart, like how Bitcoin is performing. If Bitcoin perform good, also we have to check the Verasity BTC chart, that how Verasity is, like is it like performing good against Bitcoin or not. Oh, so here you can see the Verasity for the Bitcoin chart is just hitting the bull market support band. If we can able to break this level, I think that we are moving higher. We are moving much more higher. So the target will be like this level, and this level target, if we able to break this level, I can see the Verasity to reach 0.01 to 0.02 in a no time, within a day or two. So that's the very bullish thing for Verasity, and we are as the Verasity community and the holder, and that's the very good things of Verasity. also the altcoin season is the trending higher in the trending higher in Twitter as well. So there are a lot of trend going on as the monetary is relaxing, and the different easing things going on with the crypto market as well. So I can see that in near future, with the update of the quarter 4 burn, and the update of the token transfer from the POB token transfer moving from Ethereum blockchains to Tron blockchain, we are seeing much more high price spike in the Verasity. And for the long term, let's check the monthly chart. For the long term, I expecting that after breaking this level, see this bull market support band level is like 0.0239. After breaking this level, we are moving much higher. So we haven't it's only one time we tried to break this level, but next time we like goes down. But once the altcoin season come, and I'll show you the BTC dominance chart as well. Once the altcoin season come and the BTC dominance, once this BTC dominance charts get on falling down. So let's check the full hour chartly, and chart, see, is already top, maybe like is above the bull market support band. Once that Bitcoin dominance is below the bull market support band, then altcoin market will fly, and that is good for the Verasity and the other altcoin as well. So guys, for today I will just looking the closing of this Bitcoin level. If Bitcoin break above that's the support band, bull market support band, Verasity able to reclaim that bull market support band, I can see the huge spike in the price. Also, there are a lot of update coming on for Verasity, and I'll keep you update on the Verasity, and there are a lot of partnerships going on. Verasity just at the starting moment. So we are a lot to go, and there are a lot of stuff coming on for Verasity, and I think that it will definitely do 30 to 40x this bull market. Keep your bag ready. We are going to see a lot of price movement in the Verasity, and the volume is also increasing, and that's the big thing. So you can see the log chart here, 0.02. this we are just starting. So maybe the first quarter of next year will be the very, very best for the Verasity, as we already been doing the move from Ethereum to Tron blockchain. So that will be the great things for Verasity. So guys, thank you for tuning in, guys. If you like our content, please subscribe our channel, and also you can source me on the Twitter, and check the Gary, the CryptoTechToday.com, and I'll update you with the different issues. And I am currently updating with the different pre-sales as well. There are different cryptocurrencies that are in pre-sales, so that when you purchase anything from pre-sales, then you will get 3x to 4x minimum return as when they will list in the exchanges, the price will be increased. So I have like share few pre-sales things that I have done investment. So it's not the like professional advice, professional financial advice, but I have like invest on these things. So maybe you can look in my Twitter like profile, just follow me. And also you have any comment, just comment on down below so that I will give you a updated video on this. So guys, that's it for today. So I'll be back with the other video with another interesting stuff and the crypto market and everything. So we altcoin is gearing up, and like keep your bags ready, that then we'll fly. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you. See you. Bye.